Hey, Tommy.
Hey, Kevin, how are you?
I'm doing all right. What are you working on?
Well, I'm working on dressing up this little plain door a little bit. We're gonna put a sash in it.
You're adding a window to
Yeah,
the
we're
solid
adding
door?
a window. Well, we want to match all the windows, like these little windows right here.
Yeah.
So we're gonna add a window into this door.
Whoa, okay.
I mean, you can get a door with a window in it, but it's not gonna match.
So we ordered this window when we ordered all the windows for the house?
Exactly.
No kidding. You know what, to be honest with you, I didn't even know we could do that.
Yeah, you can do it. I mean, the nice thing about it, it's insulated glass. It's got a gasket on it,
Yeah.
so it'll sit right into the opening, tight against the window. All we have to do is cut a hole and make a trim package for inside.
That's all. All right,
Piece of cake.
let's do it. You just make it sound so easy, Pop.
Well, you just got to make sure the hole's the right size. First thing we're going to do is remove the door and get it over here on the sawhorse. That's good. Okay. All right, so we're going to just put the sash about like that. And we look at a standard door where the stiles and the rails are about 5.5 to 6 inches down. So we get 6 inches down there, and we'll center the sash. So I got about 7 1/8 here.
Oh, under 7.
Yeah, so come to me, that's 6 7/8 there.
How's that?
Yeah, that's pretty good there. I want to have some clearance, about 1/4 of an inch for my rough opening. But let's just put it on my marks here and see how it is. Top down.
6 1/4.
6 1/4, okay. What we did is we marked for our position for the opening. We put some tape in there. This is going to be a metal door. When I ride the saw across it, I want to make sure we don't scratch the door. And hopefully it will keep everything from picking up. And this is actually a metal cutting blade for our circular saw. And then we'll have to turn the door over, and then we can cut it with a saber saw. Nice.
So, foam core.
Polyisocyanaurate foam, so it has a good R value and it doesn't deplete over time.
Nice.
Makes a big difference in the door.
And really nice, crisp, clean hole. Well
Yeah.
done. Well done.
Yeah, it did a nice job. No chipping of the steel either. What I need to do now is, this is the outside of the door. We need to flip the door over so we can put the window on the outside, but from underneath.
I'm going to give
So
you the
just-
window while I
just
flip
take
the
the
door.
door.
Here. I'll flip the door. You take this guy here. Stick it
All right.
underneath.
Now we're gonna take the door, I'll take this side. Now before we do anything, we got one more thing to do. We're gonna take that door and slide it down that way so it's out of the way. The sash has this gasket right here around the exterior so that it'll go against the face of the door. So all I'm gonna do is run a little bead of sealant right here on the gasket. Just a little bit. It's more of a backup. Going to run it down each side and across the top, but not the bottom. All right, now we'll just drop the door right over it.
It's so oddly satisfying.
Yeah, now we just want to center it.
I'm going to come to you. Strong eighth.
Good. All right, so now what we want to do is we want to fill this gap to seal it so we don't have any drafts. So to fill that gap, we're going to use minimal expanding foam. And we'll just shoot it in there.
Stuff made for windows and doors.
Yeah. All right, so what we did was we made up a frame that's going to be similar to the window trim in the house. Now what we're going to do is we're going to screw it in place, no sealer under it because it's inside the building, number one, but if you ever have to remove it, you want to be able to get it off. All right, there you go.
Look at that, Tommy. Looks great from the inside. Let's have a look at the outside. Oh, yeah.
Looks good, huh?
Perfect match to the existing sash.
I think we completed our job correctly.
You're going to get a lot of calls. People are going to want this.
Just a silly little window that makes all the difference in the world.
Nothing silly about it at all. Nice job, Pops.
All right.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project. So be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.